Them say the world full of wahala, but this I didn't see joy, na salon corner.
Family down up show. Today, to the people here at Freetown and Waterfall right here at Freetown Radio. We're here to explore the waterfall, and I am falling in the waterfall. It's falling in the fall. So stay with us and come and enjoy together. We probably might have fun.
Bring out the beauty, speak the truth. Now the man where they see good, even when they wanna understand the mood. He go bring the sweet from inside the rough. He makes simple story feel like enough. He said in care you not pride. Thank you for the journey, for the ride.
But if you are Israel or you're African trading, please start a check here at Takugama and enjoy and explore the Freetown treasure. See you next time. Bye-bye.